The ancient texts speak of Tripura Rahasya, the secret of the three cities of consciousness. When you understand this, you realize that manifestation isn't about getting what you want. It's about aligning with what the universe is already creating through you. This knowledge transforms not just what you can manifest, but your entire relationship with reality. You begin to understand what the rishis meant by Brahman, the ultimate reality where the manifester and the manifested are one. Remember, these techniques weren't meant for casual practice. They require what the ancients called adhikara, spiritual readiness. But for those who approach them with reverence and dedication, they open doors to manifestation abilities far beyond what modern methods offer. As you work with these ancient principles, you'll discover what the texts call Ritam Para Pragya, the wisdom that carries truth. Your manifestations will come not from personal will, but from alignment with cosmic intelligence. This is the path of true manifestation, not the superficial techniques of modern times, but the profound wisdom of the ancient seers who understood the very fabric of reality itself. Let these timeless teachings guide you to what the texts call Purnam, the fullness where all manifestation naturally flows. Remember, this knowledge was preserved for those ready to receive it. As you work with these principles, you'll discover why the ancient masters guarded them so carefully. For in them lies the power not just to manifest, but to transform your entire relationship with creation itself. Deep within the ancient Sanskrit texts lies a closely guarded secret. Manifestation techniques so powerful that they were shared only with those deemed spiritually prepared. What I'm about to reveal goes far beyond the superficial law of attraction methods flooding today's spiritual marketplace. These are the profound practices the ancient rishis called Sankalpa Shakti, the supreme power of conscious creation. In the Vedantic tradition, they speak of Icha Shakti, the power of divine will. This isn't merely about wanting something, it's about aligning your consciousness with the very force that creates universes. Through the sacred practice of Sankalpa Kriya, advanced practitioners could activate what the texts call Hiranyagarbha consciousness, the golden womb of creation itself. Consider the sacred practice of Sankalpa Kriya, a manifestation technique far more sophisticated than modern visualization. When an advanced practitioner enters this state, they activate what the texts call Hiranyagarbha consciousness, the golden womb of creation itself. This is where true manifestation begins. Here's what the ancient texts reveal about this process. First, there's Bija Dhyana, seed meditation. Unlike simple visualization, this practice involves planting your intention in what the masters called Karana Sharira, the causal body where all manifestation originates. This is why modern techniques often fall short. They're working at the surface level of mind, while true manifestation occurs in deeper dimensions of consciousness. The process unfolds through specific stages. The first is Shakti Sanchar, the awakening of manifestation power. This involves specific breathing patterns combined with what the texts call Sankalpa Mudra, sacred hand positions that activate specific energy channels connected to manifestation. Now, let's explore something profound about this process that few understand. The ancients spoke of Ritambara Prajna, a level of consciousness where whatever you envision naturally manifests. This isn't about forcing reality to bend to your will. It's about aligning with what the texts call Rita, the cosmic order itself. The ancient practitioners developed a specific approach to entering Ritampara Pragya consciousness during the hour before sunrise, when the veil between dimensions is thinnest. They practiced what they called Sandhya Sadhana, the twilight practice. This involves sitting in perfect stillness while mentally repeating the sacred syllable Aim, the seed sound of pure consciousness. The Tripura Rahasya reveals that when thought, word, and feeling align perfectly, they create Trikaya Siddhi, mastery over the three bodies of manifestation. This alignment comes through conscious awareness, naturally flowing during moments of spontaneous joy or deep peace. Consider the case of advanced practitioners in ancient times who could manifest not from desire, but from a state of complete alignment with universal consciousness. They understood that true manifestation comes not from wanting, but from what they called Purnam, a state of divine fullness where creation flows naturally. Here's a practical technique preserved from these traditions. Begin with Shabda Kriya, the practice of sacred sound. Certain sound vibrations, when combined with specific breath patterns, create what the texts call Shakti Sphurana, an awakening of manifestation energy. Start with the sacred syllable Kleem, the Bija mantra of divine attraction. The next stage involves Drishti Yoga, the yoga of divine vision. This isn't mere visualization, it's about developing what the ancients called Ritam Chakshu, the eye of cosmic truth. When this awakens, your consciousness naturally aligns with manifestation currents in the universe. Here's something crucial about this process. It requires Chitta Shuddhi, purification of consciousness. Without this, manifestation becomes merely another form of desire-driven action. The ancient texts speak of Vikalpa Kshaya, the dissolution of mental modifications that block true manifestation power. The practice deepens through samyama, perfect concentration. This involves holding your sankalpa in what the texts call Nibbeja Samadhi, seedless consciousness. From this space, manifestation happens not through effort, but through alignment with cosmic intelligence. Consider the profound wisdom in this approach. Modern manifestation techniques often strengthen the ego's desires, but the ancient way works through Atma Bhava, the state of self-realization where manifestation flows naturally without attachment to outcomes. Here's how to begin this practice. Start with Prana Dharana, concentration on the life force. As your awareness deepens, you'll naturally enter what the texts call Ritambara Kala, the zone of pure manifestation. This isn't about forcing outcomes, it's about aligning with universal intelligence.